Hello everyone, this is me Adnan Ali and today I am talking about how to cover low CGPA. Let's suppose your degree is complete or about to complete, you are in final semester maybe. You have no other option to take degree with low grades. For me, low grades mean less than 70% marks. You can disagree with me, but I said for me. For some universities, it is 3.0 out of 4, and for some universities, it is 2.7 out of 4. Now let's suppose you have to earn to take further admission or to do job as in government sector, in private sector, or you have to do freelancing or whatsoever. Maybe you have to do the business. For business, its CGP has nothing to do with the business, so I am going to discuss 4 points here. First is MS admission, second is government sector job, third is private sector job, fourth is freelancing. So let's talk about the admission in MS. You should study further or not, it's your decision. Please note that I am not suggesting further studies. Let's assume you want to study further. I am giving you options which might help you. So first step could be you should publish a research paper. You might have done project or thesis as per nature of your degree. Take help of your teacher, your supervisor, and try to publish that paper. It will improve your acceptance chances, especially for the foreign admissions. Second point, try to hit low ranked universities and countries where less people go. More admission chances, more visa chances. By saying less ranked universities, I mean universities who are not in top 500. Don't worry, even Pakistan have less than 5 universities in top 500. And countries, I will not suggest like Germany, USA, UK, etc. But if you have enough money and can pay the fee, then I think you are good to go anywhere. Third point, take some online courses. Many websites offer the certificate if you pay them. I will be providing the list of some famous websites and my most famous website. Fee of the certificates, it's the fee of certificate, not the fee of course. Fee of the certificates are not too high. If you can spend average like 1 million PKR in degree and still have less CGPA, I think you can afford 10,000 for a certificate. And if certificate is from MIT or Harvard, 10,000 is I think less amount. These 3 steps will improve your chances for MS. I am sure about that. Second, for government sector job, I think you don't have very much high chances because people who apply for government jobs are mostly thetas. But some steps can improve the chances, like doing further studies, doing MS, doing B.Ed, applying for non-famous jobs. Try to get as much as possible marks in the test. One option could be solving previous test exams. I am not focusing on this portion, it's not useful I think. Now we have remaining 2 options. Third one is private sector job and fourth one is freelancing. You could you could fall in 2 categories. One, less CGPA without skills. Second, less CGPA with skills. So let's first talk about the less CGPA without skills. I think you should gain a skill by online course, tutorials and self-learning. For online courses, I already mentioned that I am going to mention some websites at end of this video. Then you can find some tutorials from for example, you want to learn Photoshop, you can find your Photoshop tutorials. There are tons of available on the YouTube. Then let's suppose you have learned that skill. Next step is improve the skill by doing a project. That is most important part. Project could be paid or unpaid. Just do a project. Then make that project publicly available. Let's suppose you have learned the WordPress. Now it's time you should make a website in WordPress and publish that website online. You might have learned the for example Android development or any other software development in Java or C Sharp or something like that. You should make a project and then make that project publicly available. You can upload your code on GitHub or any other website like this. GitHub is good to go. You should make your project publicly available. It will improve your CV, and then add that project detail in your CV. If you then make some freelancing accounts, freelancing websites, or Upwork, Fiverr, then freelancer.com. These are three most famous. Then keep doing projects until you get your goal. Remember, success is consistency. If you keep doing that, one day you will get where you want to go. The last point here is upgrade yourself. With the passage of time, technology change. Let's suppose you are a WordPress developer. There would be a time might be WordPress will be replaced with any other thing. I'm not sure it is possible, but still nothing is impossible in technology. So I think you should keep upgrading yourself and always open for the new learning. Now the last category, our second category is less CGPA with skills. It is good you already have some skills, but don't think you are a perfect already. This is common mistake we do. We think we know everything already. So I will suggest you same I have suggested before. Improve the skill by doing projects, make that project available, publicly available, and keep doing projects. This is the list of websites from where you can learn online courses and take certificates. My favorite is edX.org. My suggestion is you should learn from this. Why? Because this is a project of MIT and Harvard. There are many other famous universities like the University of Texas System, and then Boston University, and you can see further on your screen. There are many other universities which can be found at their official website. I think it's a good website to go. You can learn the course free, and if you want to take the certificate, you can pay and take the certificate. Okay, thank you for the watching. If you have any other question or any other suggestion, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.